All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I got the TAC Premium screen protector here. It's a matte finish for the 17 Pro, and I wanted to do the matte finish. It comes in matte or gloss, but I really wanted to make sure that I kept the theme of the anti-reflectiveness of the new 17 Pro's screen. So TAC's definitely got you covered if you're looking for something that's more matted finish. And if you're interested in buying this, you can go to buytac.com/Roy Flores and scoop this up. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. So very similar kind of Apple unboxing experience. So whoops, well, not exactly, kind of messed that up there, but that's okay. And then we just lift that tab up and it just slides right on out. Look at that, all nice and packaged together, which I really like. So we got, looks like some of the installation tools as it says here, so we'll get that open real quick. All right, so inside here we have a little microfiber cleaning cloth, a very premium feeling wedge to kind of get the air bubbles out. I actually really like that. It's flexible, but it's like a rubber, but it's a little bit harder, so definitely digging that. Wet wipe, and then some dust stickers and stuff like that. Install's gonna be pretty dang simple. So looking at it here, as it says, it gives you some instruction, and then it looks like there's a QR code for information. So maybe that's a install, but number 1, clean, 2, align, 3, apply, 4, remove. So should be fairly simple. So as it says, we'll clean the screen with the provided wipe, and then we'll clean it off with the microfiber and dry it. And then I will also use the dust stickers to remove any dust or anything like that. And then it says align it and then apply it by pushing down on the applicator and then pull the tab and release and yada, yada, yada. So should be fairly straightforward if I had to guess. I'm gonna turn the phone screen off so that way we're not dealing with any issues like that. So number 1, let's get the wipe. Let's clean it. And I wanted to get this on here as fast as possible so that way we're not dealing with any scratches or anything like that on the device. I need to keep this bad boy nice and pretty as long as I can. So, all right, nice and dry there. I don't see any little things, but just in case, I always like to use one of these to kind of just get some of the little dust off, because there was one little tiny piece that I just saw. So just kind of going around, and it doesn't leave any residue on there, so we're good. All right, so we're gonna line it on here just as it has instructed us to. I'm gonna pull the tab. Okay, then I'm gonna swipe my finger up, and then I'm gonna let it do that for maybe about 30 seconds. So I'll skip forward, remove it. And there are a little bit of some air bubbles, so let's get the provided squeegee and get those out. All right, and that's all she wrote. So as you can see with it being matted finish there, it's definitely helping with the anti-reflection. As you can see, you can barely see my camera in there. And even when I put it towards light, it's definitely helping. So let me turn it back on real quick, and then we'll see how it looks powered on, and then we'll wrap it up. All right, so there it is with the screen on, and definitely feels very smooth. I actually like the way that this feels way better than the ceramic shield. I've always said that. I just like the way tempered glass, and especially like a matte finish one, feels. Definitely doesn't affect the colors at all in my opinion. It definitely still has nice color and pop. But like I said, I just really like that it's matted finish, and it really does, in my opinion, help even more with the glare of the phone screen. I mean, that's just really premium looking. So definitely guys, big thumbs up if you're looking for a really good tempered glass and keeping that matted finish look. Then TAC's got you covered. And like I said, they also have a gloss version as well. So I'll link those down in the description. So be sure to follow my links and go and scoop them up. So big thanks to TAC for sending this out. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring the notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.